What's up guys, welcome back to Enobat Smart Tech. If you want a safer and more private internet connection, then today's video is for you. I'm going to show you a simple way to use Starlink VPN to secure your browsing and protect your data online. Starlink VPN helps protect your internet connection by hiding your online activity and securing your data. This is a very useful way when using public Wi-Fi or browsing on unsecured networks. It helps keep your information more private while you're online. Step 1. First go to the Google Play Store or App Store. And after going to your Google Play Store, search for Starlink VPN. And after searching for Starlink VPN, install the VPN in your phone. And after installing the Starlink VPN in your phone, you'll be required to open it. And after opening it, you'll be required to tap on the connect button. After a few seconds, the VPN should connect successfully and your internet connection will become more secure. You can also choose the server location inside the app. A nearby server usually gives better speed while another country may give more privacy options. Choose the one that works best for you and reconnect if needed. And that's how you can use Starlink VPN for a safer browsing experience. I hope this guide helped you out. This is Enobat Smart Tech, bringing you simple technology tips to help you stay connected and protected online. And don't forget, like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials.